Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Dodge Durango GT all-wheel drive Citadel Edition. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. It looks great. You got that Dodge badging up front with the black grille. You do have your projector-style headlights right there with your fog lights hanging out down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with our Bridgestone brand tires. They look great. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signals. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we do have that GT badging as well as the Dodge, Durango, and your backup camera right there. It is an automatic open. You just got to press the button, it'll open up for us. You do have your parking sensors down along the bumper there. Lots of room back here. Looks great. Very soft as well. You can lift this guy up and you got some additional storage underneath there. As well, you can fold these seats forward just by pulling this guy right here and folding it down like that. Then you do have extra room. You can do the same with the other side there. And to close it back up, you just press this button right here. And to lift these guys, it has these handy little strap. And it closes right back up for us, just like that. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got that one to open up the back, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you, or in the summer, get it nice and cool for you. Now it also has proximity keyless entry, so if it is locked, you just gotta put your hand in there. As long as you have the key on your person, it will unlock for you. Plus you got the button there if you want to use that. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Bit of chrome accenting on the handle. A handle here, and some storage down here. Seat memory is right there. Looks fantastic in here. The leather seats are very nice. It has that accented red stitching on it. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support there. And right over here, we got the controls over our lights. So our auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as if you press it in, you do have your fog lights right there, and in-cabin light control right there. And up here, we do have the control over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Let's start her up. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. Now in the center there, it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 29,000, not too bad at all. You can switch it around from your vehicle speed to your vehicle info. Fuel economy, trip A and B. You also got your stop start, your audio. You also have your messages, your screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is control from right here with your Bluetooth options. Horn in the center and cruise control options right there. You got your paddle shifters here and here. And then in the center you do have your touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. As well as you do have your controls right here over your heated seats, heated steering wheel, your headrest fold, backup camera, and all those guys. You got your media tab here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You also have your Uconnect apps right there. You have your radio options right over here. Your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, or your settings. And when you are in reverse, you got that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. And then down here we do have our other controls, so volume up and down with the power, mute, the hazard light, screen off, and the browser there. AC, circulation, temperature control, power, off, auto, front and rear defrost, your park sensors, your stop start, eco, sport mode, and then you do have your traction control. You have your aux cord and USB plugins right there. Gear shift is here, and you do have your cup holders right there with a little bit of storage here. You got your armrest, it doubles as the storage container, so you got 2 layers, top and bottom. Lots of room in there. And then you do have a locking glove box over here. Always nice to have just in case someone did break in. If it was locked, you're all good. Then you do have your control over your universal garage door opener, lights. You have your sunglass holder there, and your control over your sunroof, which is right there, looking fantastic. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door, you have that same chrome accenting on the handle. You have the control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great back here. Leather seats as well. Very comfortable. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders if you didn't have the person in the middle. It does seat 7 people all together. You do have your climate control for back here right up there. As well, down here you do also have your heated seats and some USB plugins. To fold the seats down, you just gotta pull this guy. Folds down just like that, and you can get back there. There is 2 more seats back there, looking great. And you do have your cup holders as well. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2018 Dodge Durango GT Citadel Edition. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.